All right, so I just tried starting it, and sorry I didn't get a video of it, but there's no fuel coming. And I think I know why. I don't think it's fuel pump. I think it's probably the aftermarket alarm system that's installed. I'll show you that in a second. But I am still so impressed at how well this engine bay cleaned up. Oh my Lord, it's gorgeous. Hang on, I'll show you. There you go. Did this engine bay not clean up or what? I mean, yeah, I know. It's not show quality yet, but shit. It's clean. It looks good. The firewall looks good. I mean, it looks good. I'll give you what anybody says. I lucked out on this truck. But I said it in my Civic videos. I've said it on many occasions. I hate electrical problems. Yeah. Huh. Wish me luck, because I am not really sure where to start on this one. Yeah, electrical problems. And you can't really see it very well, but yes, there's the aftermarket alarm right back there. Which I'm pretty sure is probably what's stopping it from starting. It probably has a ignition cutoff or fuel shut off or something. I just got to figure it out. Which means I've got to get my dikes out and start uncutting zip ties and trying to figure out what's what. I'll update you as I know. Why do I get myself into stuff like this? Actually, I don't think it's going to be that bad, honestly. But I'm finding lots of stuff that was unplugged. The guy I bought it from was not the builder or the original owner, the guy who built this truck. He just inherited it with however he got it. Anyways, from what he told me, he tried to start it a couple of times, and he couldn't get it started. So what I think he did was start messing with the wires underneath the dash, which is why the aftermarket alarm, which is what all this jumbled mess is, wasn't allowing it. Now, the thing that he didn't think about was the book for the alarm is in the truck. So, with that being said, I'm going to figure this out. I did find out this thing had remote start on it. Let's see. Disarm. Did actually quite a bit of stuff on this thing. Lots of sensors, lots of stuff, so I'm going to figure it out. But right now, that's where I'm at. I'll give you an update here soon. All right, so here's a little bit of an update. Got the alarm pulled out. I still got to figure out where they spliced a couple of wires just because the fuel pump's still not kicking on, but I'm going to try a few things in just a second. This thing had remote windows, remote sunroof, a whole bunch of stuff. I think he possibly even had the airbags hardwired into the remote on a window switch because it just looks that way, but I don't know for sure. Right now, I'm still got a lot of work to do, but just wanted to give you an update as I have one. Still a lot of work, still a lot of mess. Wish me luck. He couldn't get it started. So what I think he did was start messing with the wires underneath the dash, which is why the aftermarket alarm, which is what all this jumbled mess is, wasn't allowing it. Now, the thing that he didn't think about was the book for the alarm is in the truck. So, with that being said, I'm going to figure this out. I did find out this thing had remote start on it. Let's see. Disarm. Did actually quite a bit of stuff on this thing. Lots of sensors, lots of stuff, so I'm going to figure it out. But right now, that's where I'm at. I'll give you an update here soon. One thing I didn't show you yesterday is how I actually fixed the actual lights on top of the truck. You know, when I showed you the video, there was actually the screw would not actually fit in because it was just stripped out. Okay. What you do is you need a rib nut tool. And what you're going to do is just drill out the old rib nut. Now, here's a rib nut right here. It's what it looks like. Okay. And what happens, it's real simple, is the screw goes in. It just gives a threaded spot for the screw. Okay. It's very simple. Again, you know, this is just for some people who don't know about these tools. When it's compressed, it looks like this. You see that little ring right there actually fits and sandwiches around the actual roof of the truck. The tool looks like this right here. It's real simple. And the way it works is real simple. When you just compress it, it just pulls in and actually sandwiches it on the truck. And that will actually fix the problem. I'll show you what I'm doing on the truck here in just a second. Let me reset the camera. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like. It's a great tool to have. I'm going to be honest with you. The first one I bought that I've had for a little while is by Keystone. And although I like a lot of their products, I'm going to be honest with you. So far, everything I've got from them is broke. This is from Harbor Freight. And so far, all my Harbor Freight stuff, it actually lasts. So I would stay away from them. Yeah, let me rephrase that. I wouldn't stay away from them, but Harbor Freight's local. If it breaks, you take it back and get it exchanged. You don't have to worry about anything else. Now, I should have got a video of drilling it out, but I didn't because I wanted to show you what it looked like. And I apologize, I've only got one rib nut left. I need to order some more. But like I said, this is extremely simple. You take your light out. I've got one there. There's the hole. Take the tool, set it in, and literally just squeeze. Now you want to be careful. You don't want to break the tool. You don't want to break the nut. And when you're done, it just unscrews. It's that simple. Real easy. Then you just realign everything, put your screws in. Like I said, I drilled that one out just so I could show y'all because I forgot to yesterday. I apologize. But here you go. I hope this helps because it's, 15 years ago, I wouldn't have known how to do this. Well, here's an update for you. I did not get it running today. Kind of ran out of daylight and had some issues. There's storms coming next week, and I wanted to get the lights in. I'm actually going to go camping this weekend, so I'm not going to be home, so I'm not going to get to work on it until Sunday night, and then into next week, depending. But got the new lights on the roof. Just to seal them up, I want some cheapies, and they're 35 bucks on Amazon, but I think they look good. But there we go. While I'm playing. Plus, I haven't had a video of just the front going up.